Good morning, student. Welcome to 4th standard English class. Today we are going to see the topic twist. Topic twist. Okay. First, listen. I did not grow up with not giving up. Okay. I did not grow up with not giving up dogs, but my older daughter respectful but determination to get someone. Okay. She was training me the age of 6 to 9. The age of 6 to 9 schooled me various personal abilities. She taught her self-discipline that she was ready to their work. Mistake for the third daughter. Mistake for a third daughter. Okay, students. Next, I thought the challenge had to sit heel wall calmly beside to wide neighborhood. To widely neighborhood. Okay, student. Then secret to your child, the smart then try with ability to stay on task in for us all. In that task is trying capture the sunbeam flicks around the living room in blouse the throw the branches outside the never successor. She never give ups. Okay. The run square into walls. Then her not giving up patience which breaks down when she senses the dinner time was 15 minutes. Dinner time 15 minutes. Although we have failed it to notice. Okay. Never angry, she refused to that wine. The wine shows a control which I'm not always capable of when hungry. Okay. First, had not give up patience, which breaks down when she senses that dinner. Okay, dinner time. Okay, clear. Was 15 minutes ago. We have failed to notice. Never angry. See reviews to the wine show a control which I'm not always capable when you're hungry. Okay. I value most one in forgiveness Tuesday. Okay, forgiveness twist. First considered she was still very young. Very young. She was about the 7 month old. 7 month old. We took her to the cattle without energy and tender. There was a no criticize. She already know that we would not plan or not serious causes her pain. She did not understand. She forgave curled up with her head head of my daughter. We would have concluded she was just blindly loyal and control. We now better entirely capable has proved many times. She will ignore us there. More interesting things to look at when we are careless walk into feel light. Okay. But care patience with our failings and changing often give us a second chance or a daily lesson in graduate. Okay. Okay, student. Then my friends grew up with dogs. Tell me how. Okay. When they were teenagers and trust on one in the world who tell their dog all their secret. Okay. It was the one friend would not gossip her or to cheat, would be serious or chilly or silent. Then we have waited so many designs and so carefully in raising our daughters. What school to send, what church to attend, score to by risk of teaching them when to give them cell phones comes to what really saves their character blinds our family. Okay. Okay, students, have you understood? Okay, thank you.